My name is David Chamberlain. I'm Dr. Chamberlain. I own and operate this practice at Chamberlain Dental Health. We're here in Bountiful. We serve patients all over the place though. We've had patients in Vermont and California. We've actually had patients in Japan, and they come every July to visit our practice and have checkups and get a professional cleaning with their hygienist and just evaluate, make sure they're in good health. So we have patients all over the world. Australia, we've got patients all over Utah, but the predominant base of our clients comes from South Davis County and Northern Davis County and Salt Lake County. We enjoy the people that we work with, and it's fun to watch patients as they mature through life. Patients that are children, and then it's not long, or doesn't seem long to me, that pretty soon they're going off to college. Each stage of life can present with different risk factors for oral disease, and it gives us opportunities to talk to people about what they can do in college to avoid cavities, what they can do at scout camp, to avoid cavities, make sure that they come home with a clean mouth, and mom appreciates that. I've been in Bountiful as a dentist for 14 years, graduating from Virginia Commonwealth University in 1998. And over the course of time, I have gathered and been fortunate, really fortunate to gather an outstanding staff. And on our website, other areas of the website, you'll be able to be introduced to those team members, and they are just outstanding. They know how to treat people well. They know how to answer questions. In his book, How to Win Friends and Influence People, Dale Carnegie, he wrote up an experience, or maybe some memories and thoughts that he had. He loved to go fishing in Maine, and he also loved strawberries and cream for breakfast. And the thing that he wondered is why the fish won't take strawberries and cream, because Dale certainly loves strawberries and cream. And he used that principle to teach something about people. Just because Dale likes strawberries and cream doesn't mean the fish are going to bite. He put on his hook a nice juicy worm, and that's what the fish loved. Dale would never have eaten the worm. When a patient comes to my office, how do I know what the patient wants? I can't assume that the patient wants what I want. And so an important part of the dental exam process is listening, asking some questions, finding out what it is that the patient wants, what is their goal. And then as we discover that, we go into what's called a co-discovery process. As I evaluate and look at the patient's mouth and their conditions, they learn at the same time that I learn. We look at x-rays together, we have intraoral cameras so they can view, it's kind of like doing a video scan of their mouth, and they see the same thing that I do. So that's a cool feature that we have, and some technology that we have. And then at the same time, we move from the co-discovery process to treatment planning together. And that means we sit down together and we look over the findings and that are written down and discovered, and then we come up with some treatment options. I'll discuss the options with the patient, and they help me decide which option they want to select. We'll discuss pros and cons, the advantages and disadvantages of each option, and then I trust that the patient is going to make the decision that is best for them. There are a lot of dentists, and dental schools are producing a lot of dentists, and there are a lot of people interested in dentistry going into it as a profession. We encourage patients to visit their dentist. We feel like we offer something that is unique here at Chamberlain Dental Health. We feel like through our education, through the courses that we've studied, through our experience, and through the people in our community that we mentor with and that we associate with, not just our community here in Davis County, but all across the country. We meet great doctors and we study under them. And we feel like we have something unique to offer here at Chamberlain Dental Health. And we invite you to come visit with us, see how we can help you reach your goals, attain your goals, to enjoy good oral health.